What's going on, guys? Haven't done a video in forever, but I figured I got my TruBlu XL kit today, so figured I'd do an unboxing. Also got one of these Navac core tools. Messaged them, and apparently it's not a rebranded product, it's something they designed themselves, so I'm anxious to try it out. It's got, you take this off, this is your 5/16 like for a mini split, and that's your quarter flare underneath it, so you unscrew that. Then this is actually way longer than it needs to be, so it'll go all the way over to there, or if you take it off, you'll just have a little bit extra. But pretty cool idea. Hopefully it's I don't know, all this Navac stuff is pretty cool, so hopefully they put a little, bring something new to the game, step up the quality. Anxious to use it, haven't used it quite yet. But let's check out the TruBlus. Didn't get a chance to use them on my own personal system. Just used one of those Appion hoses and it worked just fine. But it's one of the clamps. Matter of fact, there's all the stuff here. It's got a shoulder strap for the bag, which pretty nice little bag there. Cool little catalog, saying all the cool stuff they got. Micron gauges, telling you about the fittings, telling you about their core tools, I guess it looks there. Shader core depressor. Anyway, all kind of nifty stuff. I'm just showing you how to use it on some of that stuff. What else we got? More fittings. I'm gonna leave these in the box so they don't get junk on the O-rings. Ooh, and there's the AccuTools core tool. Hell yeah, I'm gonna try it out tomorrow, doing an install, a little side job install with another dude I work with, so see how that goes for a friend of his, so hopefully it's not a complete shit show. Instructions blown away. Let's see what else. Outside part of the clamp. We'll have to go through the instructions when I put this together. I'm fixing to pull a vacuum on a bottle. Different size fittings. Oh, there we go. Half, 3/8, and quarter. Work with whichever vacuum pump you want. And then just now opening this, didn't prepare everything, have it ready to open up, so I'm gonna do this one-handed. Yeah, I got all this money for tools, but I don't have enough money to get a GoPro. There's the infamous Smurf boner, the old blue donkey dick, I like to call it. But as you can see, that's pretty darn big. Put a core tool next to it. So a little bit bigger than the old Appion stuff right there, which that's my normal. There's my vacuum pump and a bottle I got from Johnstone. Here's what my normal go-to is got just like a little Bucket Boss battery cable bag. And I have the black 3/8 vacuum hose that comes on your field piece, digital gauges, or digital manifold I should say, and then there's my Appion hose, so you can see it's about the same size as the Appion hose, not too much difference really. And then a couple of old 1/4" hoses I use for my recovery machine, but I keep all my hoses in there to keep them clean, keep them out of the weather. Really need to get plugs for these, to kind of like how the Appion ones at least come with them. I put them back. I need to get plugs for this to keep dirt and debris out of there, but I don't know, that'll keep it out of there as long as I keep it zipped up. Anyhow, but may make a little video later and hook this bad boy up and be able to use my 1/2" port finally. Sweet. But hook it up to this bottle because apparently it's got nitrogen pressure on it. That's how they come from Johnstone. And hook up the old vacuum gauge and see how quick it pulls the bottle down. Ooh, also installed my personal system, did a change out, so may do a little walk through it there. Be like a Facebook group, everybody can nitpick and tell me how shitty my install was. If I can talk shit about the fact that I put my non-heat pump condenser on a heat pump stand, a mini split heat pump stand in fact. Hack job, ain't it? Super hack. Oh well, it worked for me, it's working good so far. Beer can cold, rocking on. Ginning, making cold air. Leave comments below if you use those AccuTools hoses or any other AccuTools or Navac stuff. Let me know what y'all think about it. I'll get back to y'all when I try it out and see what it does. Later.